Whether you are an entrepreneur, a businessman, or you are a manufacturer, you service provider, you are an influencer yourself, you want a recall value for whatever you are selling, whatever you are doing, whatever you are offering in your market. And that is the brand value for you, yourself, your company, your product, and which makes it easier for people to recall your brand. And that is what we are going to discuss in today's video. We are going to discuss how you can create your impeccable brand in just 5 steps. So let's dive deep in. Hey everyone, I'm Amit Kumar Ruparelli. I'm the founder of Business and Wealth Hub. I'm on a mission to help a million entrepreneurs create unicorn valuations for their organizations by helping them building a business beyond busyness and helping them convert their top lines into bottom lines every 4 years. We do this by helping them rediscover their business models and their marketing. While we are discussing brand recall value and how to create an impeccable brand, just think for a moment. The products that you are using in your day-to-day life, whether it can be your cell phone, your TV, your car, your bike, your refrigerator, your laptop, anything. Whenever you think about these things, your mind will draw a picture of something with a brand name on it. If you think about influential people who can influence your decision, you will also think of some people. This is their brand value. So it doesn't make a difference. It doesn't make a difference even if you are a manufacturer, you are a service provider, you are an influencer yourself. What you need is a strong recall value for whatever product you are offering or whatever service you are offering, or you might want it for your organization, for your company. You might want it people to recall your logo, or you might want people to recall yourself also, because this recall value and this brand value differentiates you from the crowd. It is your differentiator which differentiates you from the crowd. Now, just for a moment, again, think about the things that you use in your day-to-day life and the brands associated with them, and put their names into the comment box below. Perfect. Now, what you have seen is you are recalling some brands. When there is a recall value with the brand, people's judgment is always skewed towards purchasing those things. And when people purchase those things more, it means you are having more sales, meaning you will be having more revenue, meaning you will be having more profits, meaning you will build wealth faster and on a bigger scale. So if you want to know how to create an impeccable brand in just 5 steps, type in me into the comment box below. Perfect. Let me share my mind map, and let's dive deep in. This is what we are going to discuss. We are going to discuss how you will be able to create your impeccable brand in just 5 steps. I will be showing you the step-by-step process. It will help you and serve you as a guide on your journey towards building your impeccable brand. In the end, if you stay till the end, I'm going to give you a gift also, and I'll be showing you the journey ahead of creating an impeccable brand. If you are liking this video till now, hit the subscribe button and bell icon so that you can get notifications whenever we put something useful to you. Now let's jump in. There are 5 steps to the process of creating an impeccable brand. Number 1 is your message. What do I mean by message? By message, I mean that you need to create a great message around the value proposition that you are offering to your market. And when you create this value proposition for your market, then what you need to do is practice it 1,000 times in your market. Repeat that again and again 1,000 times in your market. It will create an impeccable brand value for you. Craft your great message with value proposition for your market and repeat it over and over again in your market. If you understood this, type in message into the comment box below. Which brings us to our second point. It is the continuity. Once you have established your brand, once you established your message in your market, what you need to do is you need to continuously keep on delivering the same value proposition in most creative manners in your market. You can take help of influencers, you can take help of books, you can create multiple things around it. But the key of building an impeccable brand image is the continuity of the delivery of the message. Next is going after the real money. You always need to go after the real money. See, money is always on the backstage, money is always behind the scene. What do I mean by this? Money is not where you see it. You all must have heard about the Eiffel Tower, which is situated in Paris. It is a great monument, and millions of people every year visit Paris to see the Eiffel Tower. Let me tell you, Eiffel Tower is not a profitable venture. Eiffel Tower is not making profits. Actual profit comes from the restaurants and the cafes which are surrounding the Eiffel Tower and which give you a view to Eiffel Tower. Same way, when we think about cell phone, we think about Apple. But Apple is not only selling you the cell phones, Apple is selling you iPads, Apple is selling you laptops, Apple is selling you even TV, Apple is selling you even the accessories. And they are making good profits out there. So if you are creating a brand, what you need to do is you need to create products and services and businesses around and from your brand. You need to acquire and enhance whichever things are independently moving around your brands. This will give you huge profits. If you understood this, type in backstage into the comment box. Which takes us to our fourth point, and that is build and protect reputation. It takes many years, even decades to build a reputation, but it takes minutes to destroy that reputation. If you are building that brand, you will have to always be aware about the reputation of your brand, and you will have to be a protection wall for your brand. And the last thing is collaboration. If you really want to see your brand becoming a world-class brand, you will have to master the art of collaboration. So you will have to master the art of joint ventures, because only these things will take your brand to the newer audiences, to the newer markets, where you will have more scope of converting people who are not aware of your brand into your raving fans. So these are the 5 steps to build an impeccable brand for yourself, your product, your services, your company. Let me summarize it. It is all about your message, the kind of value proposition you bring to your market. You need to bring it continuously over and over again. You need to build products, services, and businesses around your brand. You need to build and protect the reputation of your brand, and always go for collaborations, joint ventures, and create win-win deals. I hope this helps you. Now, let me give you your gift. You will get a downloadable link of this mind map in the description below, so that you can take a printout of it. You can save it on your mobile and use it as guide to build your impeccable brand. And as promised, let me show you the journey ahead. See, we are helping entrepreneurs to build their unicorn businesses beyond business. That means a business that gives you scale, profit, wealth, and freedom. To do this, first of all, you need to build a business beyond business where you are free to make strategic decisions. Next is you create your business model. Next, you go for strategic marketing. Then you go for strategic partnerships, and then you create an impeccable wealth which sustains with you and even beyond you. If you want to know more about it and be part of that community, wherein I am regularly sharing the nuggets of my wisdom, I am showing people path continuously. I'll be sharing a link to join our Telegram group. You can join our Telegram group so that you can get all the updates before everyone. Friends, with that, I'm Amit Kumar Ruparelia, and I'm signing off for the day. Bye-bye.